Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Up for review today, we have some iced honeydew and blackcurrant by Vape One Lite. One Lite, the only company in the world who claims to develop their juice with doctors. This is the any device e-liquids, whether you run a pod, a sub-ohm, or a mid-to-lung setup, you should be fine. Paid $5 for this in a little shop called Savers in the UK. No nic shot included, but I have put nicotine in it, bringing up 3 mg. This is 50-50 mix, running in the Caliburn. Let's see what this is like. This is really strange. I don't know what honeydew is meant to taste like, but I am getting kiwi and I am getting a hint of blackcurrant. There is ice in this. I can feel the ice in it. It's not really cold. On a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is nothing and 10 is people skinny dipping on top of Mount Everest to get those black fingers and black toes. This gets about a 1 for me. I think the ice is there to maybe try and enhance some of the flavors. This reminds me of, I don't know if you remember when you were a kid and you had Sunny Delight. Remember the green one? Yeah, but this reminds you of the green Sunny Delight. £5 for what it is. Absolutely fantastic little juice. It is an acquired taste, but if you're into weird tasting juices and trying out new flavors and stuff, grab this. Only a $5. Give it a go and see what you think. Ladies and gentlemen, that was me. That was my quick and dirty review of Vape One Lite Iced Honey and Blackcurrant. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more vaping content. Ladies and gentlemen, that was me. I'm out. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Up for review today, we have another juice. We have some iced honeydew and Blackburn. We have Blackburn. 50-50 mix, which I think is quite strange, but this is their any device e-liquid, so will work in any device, whether it is a sub-ohm, mouth-to-lung, restricted, direct lung, or banana. You could run it on a banana. I'd advise you not to, but you could. Any device works, including bananas.